Hi, if you have ever been a human being, you have probably used google.com. Yes, that search engine webpage which has a rectangle in the middle where you can weirdly search for weird things and it shows you the exact results you need. Okay, for a moment, let's consider Google as a business, which is probably what they are, which automatically makes you a customer. Businesses and customers need each other. In order for the customer to keep enjoying their favorite products or services, businesses have to find a way to keep making the products. And the only way a business could keep making products is by making a lot of money. And the only way they can keep making a lot of money is by making the customers pay for it. But you and I, we do not pay Google. But Google is still somehow making money. So it's obvious that someone is paying Google. Who exactly is it? These tiny little rectangles that is filling up your display is called advertisements. Advertisements let the customers know that there's a compelling product out there, which can potentially solve a problem, save time and energy, or sometimes all it has to be is cute and people are ready to buy it. Advertisements have a lot of potential to bring in new customers and also possibly retain the old customers. The concept of marketing and advertisement sounds amazing on paper, but they're also a significant financial risk if anything goes wrong. For example, in 2023, Nike invested about $4 billion just in advertisements and marketing, and that's not an amount that Nike will be willing to lose. Let's say you own a company and the company produces sweatshirts. In order for you to effectively bring in valuable customers, the advertisement has to reach the right kind of customers first. This is where Google comes in. Google is not just a search engine company. Even though their primary domain, google.com, takes you to the search engine web page, that's where everything starts. If you look at the right corner, you have shortcuts to different services of Google, which Google offers completely for free. Not only that, Google also provides Google Chrome and Android completely for free. Google's Android, which runs on vast majority of the smartphones on planet Earth, has Google services built into it. It means Google can track anything and everything you do on your smartphone. Now that your entire operating system depends on Google and Google services, Google can take a peek at what you're doing at any given moment. From the mails that you get, to the text messages you receive through notifications, to the locations you use on Google Maps, to the Wi Fi devices that you connect, and the IP addresses that you log into your account from. Let me give you an example on how Google uses their tracking to create a profile of who they think you are. Let's say you add a product on your Amazon cart and you don't buy it. So the next day, Amazon is going to send you a mail saying, hey, are you willing to buy this product? It's still in your cart. And if you use Gmail as your service provider, then Google has the ability to read through your email. Any Google service that you touch is built with tracking in mind. Now, how exactly is this tracking data that Google has against your profile useful in any ways? Remember the sweatshirt? Well, Google knows exactly who you want to advertise it to. All the tracking data from all their various services, they know what kind of people is looking for a sweatshirt. It's extremely easy for advertisers to use Google Ads and leave the heavy lifting to Google to show the right kind of advertisements to the right kind of market demographic. Google now have everything they need to make money. They have a platform where advertisers can come in and advertise. They have the users who consume their content on a regular basis. And every single time a user click on an advertisement, the advertisers pay a small amount of fee to Google. And that's how Google make their money.